In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert tables in your Word document. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your Microsoft Word document. And for my case, I just want to insert a table next after this text. So from here, to do this is pretty simple. Just head over to Insert, and then you should see we have an option for table. If you click on it, we have an option to automatically select the rows and the columns that you wish to insert. So for the columns, you can hover over, you can select here up to 7 of them. And if you wish to go to columns, you can now just move down through the number of columns that you wish to select, and you can go up to 6 of them. And if you just click on this will be inserted automatically on your document. However, should you want to insert more rows and columns, you can go ahead and click on this insert option, and here you'll have an option to choose the number of columns. So for instance, I want 12 columns and I want 9 rows like that, and go ahead and choose how you want it to auto fit or behave. You can either choose to fix column width, you can either choose to auto fit to content or auto fit to window. This will make it fluid so that it can adapt any device that the user is using. So if you want it to auto fit content, go ahead and choose so. If you want it to auto fit to window, go ahead and choose so. So I'll choose this. And also go ahead and choose whether you want to remember dimensions for new tables. So I'll not check it. I'll just go ahead and click on OK. And you can see the columns have been added. Now, apart from this, you can also go ahead and design or choose the shading style or the table style that you wish. And we have an option here of various shadings. If you hover over them, you can choose the one as you wish and the shading will be applied. You can also go ahead and click on this drop down, and you should see we have quite a number of options here that you can go by. So go ahead and choose the one that you prefer, and once you have settled on any, just click on it. For instance, I want this where we have shades of blue and white alternating. If I click on it, you can see it will be applied on my table. Now to add any text in these columns, just go ahead and add anything under any column or under any row. So that's how you can insert tables in your Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.